want to own a baby doll top like this? I'm pretty sure you do because you clicked on the video. So lucky for you, I am here with the perfect tutorial on how to make your own baby doll top without even selling you a pattern. So you can make this completely from scratch. You do not have to buy anything except for the fabric. But that's literally it. It is super beginner friendly and easy. I feel like I always say this in my intro videos, but that might just be because I do a lot of cute tutorials that are beginner friendly on how to make tops. So if you're interested in that, check out my other videos as well. But up until then, let's not talk too much and get right into the tutorial, because I'm so happy that there are still people like you out there watching craft tutorials in the age of Instagram Instants. So thank you so much for clicking on this video, and do not get distracted by the sound of my bangles that I bought at Brandy Melville. This is what they look like. I really love them. Let's get back into the topic and right into the tutorial. You can just make this pattern yourself. You do not have to spend any money or anything. You just need to own a shirt that fits you. And I'm pretty sure you own a shirt that fits you. And you're gonna take this shirt, put it on, and you mark the under bust area. You take off the shirt and you fold it in half. Basically just trace half of this top. And for our top specifically, we will cut it at the line where we marked our bust area. And for the neckline, you can literally go crazy. I like it when it has this kind of square neck, so my straps get thicker at the top. Do whatever you want, it doesn't matter, as long as the armhole stays the right size. Add the seam allowance. I add about 1/2 centimeter of seam allowance. I do not need that much. And then you cut out the paper. So for the first step, we fold our fabric in half and cut it out. Do this twice because we're gonna take the shirt double. I know that it takes a bit more fabric, but it looks so much better than just making one flimsy layer that doesn't look good at all. And you're not gonna have to worry about raw edges or anything because we're just gonna turn it inside out. For the back panel, you do not even need a pattern. I just freeball this completely. I just take the pattern for the front, and instead of cutting the low neckline, I just make like this little C shape, half moon shape. And now let's get into the pretty ruffle part of the baby doll top, the start of the show basically. For this, we just need to cut out a rectangle. The rectangle should be about, make it 2 times bigger than your actual waist size because you will cinch in the fabric. This time we will not take it double, we will just fold over the hem. Finally, it's time to sew. I feel like the preparation always takes longer than the actual sewing. Like when people think about sewing, they think that you're just sitting in front of the sewing machine when actually you're cutting out paper. For the front of the top, you just sew together the pieces right sides together. Pin it in place. If it's wrinkly, always iron. Never skip the ironing part. And then you can sew along the lines as shown in the video. Make sure to not sew together at the bottom and at the sides. This will stay open. We will sew that shut later. Now for the back piece, you're gonna essentially do the exact same thing. You sew the neckline and the armholes, but do not sew the sides and the bottom. We will do that later, and you're done. Turn your pieces inside out, and now it's very important that you iron it down perfectly so everything lays flat. If you do want to add a scrunch to your shirt, now is the time. Use a long straight stitch, just sew down the middle, pull on the lower thread to scrunch it up, and then sew over it again to secure everything. To finish off the top of our shirt, sew together the front and the back panel. At the sides and also at the straps, cut off the extra seam allowance, and then you're done. Now let's get into the ruffle part of the shirt. For this, I first hemmed the pieces individually. So just take your 2 rectangles and hem them. I do this by folding the raw edge over once, iron that down, and then you fold it over another time. So the raw edge is basically sandwiched in between. And make sure to iron it, it makes it so much easier. And then you sew over it using an elastic stitch. Now it's time to add the lace, which makes the shirt so much prettier. When sewing, I am using a zigzag stitch, and make sure to change the color of your thread. Yes! Now we attach the 2 rectangles. It's very important that you do this before cinching it in. Once you've cinched it in, it's kind of hard to sew the sides together properly. It will look all wonky. Trust me, I've made a baby doll top before and it looked pretty shit. And then it is finally time for the cinching in part. You will sew down 2 parallel lines using a wide straight stitch and do not backstitch. Now you can pull on the lower thread and it will all ruffle up. It will ruffle up prettily, and you will just ruffle it as much until it will match the size of your upper part. I always secure the ruffles with a zigzag stitch so that the ruffling doesn't move around as much. Once the lower part is as wide as the upper part, so you can stuff them into each other without it getting all wrinkly. And once you've done that, you can connect the upper and lower piece by stuffing them into each other, right sides facing each other. So the side with the lace of the lower part will be facing the side with the scrunch, basically. And then you're finished. Watching the video up until the very end. I feel like there are not a lot of people like you, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Maybe consider subscribing if you like my video, or if you like the sound that my bangles make, because I'm pretty sure I will never take them off. There is honestly nothing more to say. I'm done. I'm hoping that this video helped you to understand how to make your own baby doll top. If you make one, tell me how it went in the comments. If you like this video, tell me. If you didn't, then do not tell me. I don't know. I'm hoping to see you in my next video, and up until then, have a very nice day. Bye!